The Easytrack FS is a lightweight, freestanding portable gantry, which can be set up in minutes by one person. The gantry has 5 components. To assemble, place the footplates in position. Check the footplates, which should be flat on the floor. If they aren't, for example on an uneven floor, adjust the levelers on either end. Line up each post with the footplate and insert. The posts are self-locating, so they don't require any additional tools or fixings. Pull the safety latch to unlock the hook handle until the red stripe is visible. Position the track into the fixing clips at the end of each post, and then lock it in place using these ski boot clips. The red marks on the hook handle will no longer be visible when the track is correctly secured. If the track width needs to be adjusted further, pull the inner track away from the main outer track until the desired width is achieved. The posts are spring-loaded so that the height can be adjusted effortlessly. Adopt a comfortable position and push upwards to adjust the height as required. Rulers on the side of the posts confirm that each post is level and that both posts are raised to the same height. To retract the posts, grip the upper portion of the post with both hands and raise it approximately 5 mm. This releases the post, which can then be slid down using 2 thumbs. To attach the Voyager to the Easytrack FS, unwind the strap by using the quick release. Attach the hook to the trolley in the track. The up button or quick release can be used to retract the strap, and that prevents ever having to lift the hoist onto the rail, reducing moving and handling risks. For more information or for 24/7 clinical and technical support, contact Medstrom.